In this video, we're going to talk about how do you start a business even when you're completely broke, coming right up. Hi, this is John Lee, and if this is the first time you come across my channel is all about starting businesses, growing businesses, and creating multiple streams of income. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on bell notifications so you don't miss out on all the new content. So the first thing that you got to learn if you're completely broke and you want to start a business is to offer your services for free and get testimonials in return. You see, a lot of times when you want to start off in business, you need to have something called social proof. So social proof means that you've got to do something that's got great value to somebody else. They give you great value back by giving a testimony of how good you are and how well you've helped them. And then from there, you then use that to get more business. So a lot of people, when they start off, they go, well, John, I've got this money. I want to start spending money on this and this and this. And honestly, you don't have to do that. One of the things I highly recommend you do is to make sure that you are constantly getting more and more and more testimonials, because those testimonials will actually bring in more and more and more work for you and more business for you. You've probably heard of, word of mouth marketing. This is kind of that, but on steroids. So give your time for free in exchange for a testimony. You'll do enough of it, and then what happens, people start to talk, and then you start to get referred, and that's how you start getting paid. The second thing you can do if you, again, starting off in business completely broke, is to actually start and build a community. So during lockdown, I actually built a community about people staying at home and starting online business, and I had 8,000 people that joined that community in 3 days. And so how did I do that? I started using Facebook. I started going out, I was telling people, hey, you know what, if you're looking to do this, and the important thing with a community is to make sure that you have alignment with the end result, what people are looking to achieve. So if people want to learn how to lose weight, or you saw a lot of this during lockdown, a lot of people starting losing weight challenges, how to lose a stone during lockdown, how to lose a stone, in 7 days, how to, start a business in 5 days. So you've probably seen a lot of this going around. And so the idea is when you create a community, other people also share that community with other people, and then you start building a bigger and bigger and bigger. It's like a snowball, right? You invite one person, that person invites 2 people, that people invites 5 people, that five people invite another person. So it starts to snowball and you start building a big community. Now I know what you think, well, how do I monetize that? So one of the things you can do is start creating affiliate links and put these affiliate links inside of these communities. So when people click on them, an affiliate link is like a partnership link where you go to somebody, you say, hey, do you have anything to sell? They say yes, they get the link, you put the link inside the community, and when that person clicks to buy that product, guess what? Anything that they spend, you get paid a commission. So you can build a community and put affiliate links and start getting paid money. The third thing you can do, which is one of the biggest things that's happening right now, is to become a social media agency. So what you want to do is, not even that, you can even become an influencer. So an influencer and an agency manages social media for other people, but you can actually grow your social media and then become an influencer. So the way influencers get paid, they promote products and services on their page, and they get paid money to do that. So let's say, for example, you do weight loss, for example, and you wanted to advertise some gym clothes. You could actually wear the gym clothes, and then companies will pay you money depending on if you've got a big following or small following, but they will actually pay you money to make a post on your social media, whether that's Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. YouTube, you can actually use product placement. So those products in the back, I could actually, if I was doing this for the people, I can say, look, I can put your products in the back, or maybe I'll have a cup or something that's got your brand on them, and I'll drink from it whilst I'm doing a video. So you could actually build up an audience, become an influencer, and start making money from that. So for example, myself, I built over 5 million followers on social media across all different platforms: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn, and I've grown 5 million across all platforms. And now, people pay me money to make a post, or they'll do like a sponsored post. They'll say, hey, you promote this for me, and if it makes any sales, then I'll give you this much money. So this is some of the things that you can do, especially again, if you're broke and you're looking to start out. So the fourth thing you can do, and this is again, something simple that, everybody can do, is you can go around doing the odd jobs, maybe, cutting the lawn, cleaning someone's house, just something to make a little bit of money, doing chores for people, maybe doing the shopping for people. In fact, I know a friend of mine, and what she used to do is she's quite good with eBay. So she'd go around to people saying, hey, have you got any junk that you don't want? She'd collect all these people's junk. Again, that's a chore to go around to collect this junk. And then she would relist that stuff onto eBay and sell it and make a commission, right? You can now do the same thing with Facebook Marketplace. If you do a search for free items, there's lots of people giving stuff away for free. You just go and get that free stuff, you list it back onto Facebook and charge people money for it. So this is another good strategy that you can use if you're broke and you want to earn some money. That's a quick win for you. Okay, the last thing you can do, and this is again one of the most important things that I've personally used to, when I started off, I didn't have that much money, and I'll tell you what it is in a second. But if you've enjoyed this so far and you love to get more videos on how to earn more income, how to start a business and create multiple streams of income, then make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on bell notifications, and do me a favor, hit that like button so we can help more people with this. Because when you hit the like button, it tells YouTube's algorithm to show you more of my videos so you don't miss out on the best content. All right. So the last thing you want to do, again, if you're broke, is you want to ask for help. So when I first started, I started off in real estate. A lot of you know my story. And so I didn't have the money to buy real estate, so I started asking for help. I started asking people. But here's one of the things I realized, that you must upskill yourself first before you do that. So I was asking people, hey, I've got this deal here, would you like to partner with me? So I'd go out and find a deal, and I'd ask people for help. I'd ask people, how can I find the deals? How can I find the money? And not everyone I asked could give me the answer, but guess what? The more people I started to ask, the more income I started to make. Because if you don't ask, you don't get. So these are the 5 things you want to do if you want to start off, you're completely broke and you want to start a business and start earning income. Again, if you like this, my question for you is this: which one of these 5 are you going to try? Leave a comment below and I'll personally come and answer those questions. And if you've got any questions, just leave a comment below as well. But do me a favor, hit the like button. So at YouTube, it helps the algorithm so more people get to see this. And also make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on bell notifications so you don't miss out on all the new content that I produce for you. I'll link some videos here and here. I'll put the subscribe button over here. And it's John Lee, the author of Business Hack. I hope you got a lot of value from this. Bye for now.